At present, intaglio printing is the main printing technique for banknotes and security products. The most important advantage of this technique is the relief imprint that can be felt by touch. An intaglio press is a special kind of printing machine used for intaglio printing. The basis for any printing technique is the printing plate. The development of printing technology is aimed at improving such an important pre-printing stage as the engraving of printing plates. The technique of printing plate engraving determines printing quality, labor expenditures, and order deadlines. These issues are also vital for intaglio printing. In the beginning, intaglio plates used to be engraved manually. Any picture engraved by hand has its unique features determined by the individual peculiarities of the master's hand. These features provide good security. However, manual engraving takes time and effort, and the resulting quality of the gravure is limited by human ability to engrave complicated details such as precise geometrical figures, multiple parallel lines, etc. At present, manual engraving is only used in banknotes for certain most expressive elements such as portraits. In the course of industrial development, the manual engraving of intaglio plates was replaced by chemical etching. In this technique, a picture made on the metal plate was subjected to multi-step etching. Chemical etching accelerated the making of intaglio plates, but brought along a decrease in gravure quality, and therefore the degree of banknote security also took a turn for the worse. By the nature of this process, chemical etching only makes grooves with a rounded bottom, and the deeper the groove, the wider the printed line. As a result, it becomes impossible to get prints with clear edges on the lines, thin deep lines, small wide lines, etc., because of the low quality of etched intaglio plates. The primary parts of banknotes are engraved manually to the present day. Goznak has always given and will give great attention to the development of new kinds of security features for banknotes and other security products. In particular, Goznak specialists developed and implemented an exceptional automated technique that not only combines advantages of manual engraving and chemical etching, but substantially proves the manufacturing process of high-precision plates. This new generation technique greatly improves the quality, that is, the security, of intaglio prints. It also accelerates the plate manufacturing process. The new generation intaglio plate engraving technique is based on multiple pass engraving of the intaglio plate in a special automated machine. In the beginning, the operator scans the picture according to accuracy requirements, the depth and the width of the lines, with the use of a special computer-aided system. As a result of the picture processing, the operator gets control software for the machine. Using this control software, the machine engraves the intaglio plate by means of multiple pass planing. Before the launch of the process, the plate's surface is scanned and the control software is corrected accordingly in terms of the depth of engraving. Then the base with the plate performs multiple pass movements in the coordinates of the XY plane. At the same time, a special chisel performs vertical movements in the line of the surface of the plane to within 1 micron. Goznak developed the full technology, including the machine, the software, and the engraving tools for new generation intaglio plates. The engraving of intaglio plates corresponds to the specified control software completely. In Fragment A, you see the chisel engraving lines with one and the same width, but with different depths. In the print, such a line has constant width, but varying optical density, depending on the height of the ink layer. The change in the engraving depth can be both continuous and discrete. In Fragment B, you see multiple thin parallel lines being engraved. All of these lines are highly distinct, although their density in this section amounts to 850 lines per inch. You see a groove with an asymmetrical cross-section being engraved. This cross-section is deeper at one side than at the other side. This high-precision mechanical engraving technique not just combines advantages of manual engraving and chemical etching, but has the following important benefits: low labor expenditures, high quality of the intaglio plate ensuring high security level, engraving quickness. We'll be happy to answer any of your technical questions and supply you with any additional information.